Hello and welcome back, members. Mastering Windows 11 Device Registration and Management in Intune, Part 2, Manual Method. And in the previous video, we have done the auto-enrollment method, and we have showed you that how you can auto-enroll your Windows 11 device to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. And right now in this video, we are going to show you that how you can achieve that by applying the manual method. Right now we are connected to our Windows 11 VM, and here all you need to do is to just open the settings by right click here on the start and go to the settings, and here you can see that we are on the JSS admin machine. Now here let's click to the accounts, and here you can see that there is no account login here, which we already discussed, that here you can use your Microsoft Entra ID to get sync your machine to the Microsoft Azure environment. But to manage your device, you need to go where you need to click to open the Microsoft Work or School, Access Work or School option. And here you can see Enroll Only in Device Management. If you click here, so it's gonna pop up this dialog box on the screen, and here you have to provide your Microsoft Intune account here, and this account must have the license, the proper license to provide you the enrollment and the Microsoft Intune Admin Center features, which later on I'm going to show you on the portal that which license is required. So let me type the email, the credential that will authenticate and validate this process. And here's the account that we are going to use for device enrollment, and then click next. And first it will connect to your Intune environment, and here you can see the message that tells you that your machine is ready to get enrolled to your Microsoft Intune Admin Center environment. And here you have to type the password to proceed this process. Click to the sign in. And as we have already created the profile and some policies on the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, so it will start setting up all these policies. And here it required the confirmation, and there you can see that your machine is now connected to your Intune Admin Center. And how to verify that? Open the settings, click to the accounts, and when you click to the Access Work or School, you will see that your machine is connected by this user. And here it is mentioned connected to JSS DMB1 MDM. So your machine is ready to be managed and to be controlled and to be organized with the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Then once you expand it, you will find two buttons managed by JSS DMB1. Against this text, you will find the info and the disconnect. So if you want to discontinue your Windows 11 machine from the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, you can click to this button and your machine will not be managed through the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Or else, if you wanted to verify the updates and you wanted to see that what configuration profiles and policies has been implemented and downloaded from the Intune Admin Center, so you need to click to the info, and here you will see all the areas that are specifically managed by JSS DMB1 domain. And here's the policies that are being applied to this machine after it get enrolled to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. And there is the important button, the sync. It does what? That whenever the new network profile or security policy has been created and applied to your group, where your device is a part of, or the group of users that you use on the Intune portal. Let me show you to explain it more clearly. So here's our Microsoft Intune Admin Center, and if I click to the devices, so I will get the status and the update of our devices that are part of the Intune Admin Center. Then click to the all devices, so you will see the list, and here's the machine that we just added to our Microsoft Intune Admin Center. And if I click to the machine, I'm going to get the detail of the machine, like the device name, the primary user that has been used to complete this enrollment. And here on top we have the sync button. So what happens that whenever you create any policy, any configuration profile, any security parameters that you created and wanted to apply to your group of machines or a single machine, so in order to apply and force these changes to your machine, you need to run what? You need to run the sync. It synchronizes your machine to your Microsoft Intune Admin Center, and that's the same thing we have on the Windows environment as well. Here you can see that the sync button is available. So if any new changes you have made on the configuration profile, or you have created a new profile, you just need to click to the sync button and it will start syncing and keeps this security policies, network profile, and manage application up to date as per your Microsoft Intune Admin Center. And if I scroll up and see that, there you go, that after running this sync, it automatically downloads the Google Chrome and this application and enables the Microsoft Edge certain features that we have already configured on the Intune Admin Center, and we have applied all these changes to the group. So let's go back to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center to give you the more understanding that how you are managing your devices, mobile devices from here. That here you have following options on the left. Under monitor, you can see the device compliance, device configuration, and here you can see that which current device configuration has been applied to this machine. Or if you want to check the device compliance, so you can click here and you will find the current compliance options. Then if you want to find out that what are the configuration profiles are created on your Intune portal, so you can come here, you can click to the configuration under manage devices, and you will start seeing the details. Some of the profiles are currently not working, but some are applied, like the Google Chrome setting you can see, and some profiles are related to the security. But if you wanted to see that which profiles has been applied to this device, so you need to click on the device and you need to click to the device configuration. But currently it shows the single profile. Why? Because it takes 20 minutes to provide you the complete report, which you can export later for your document purposes. And in the same way, you can find out and you can check what managed apps are implemented or installed to the device. So you can click to the manage apps, and here you can see the Chrome, and it is already installed, but it need the confirmation status from the device, which is pending at this moment, but it is being installed. And here you can see some more managed apps that has been triggered from the Intune Admin Center, Microsoft 365 apps for JSS Win 11 users, and there is some customized app related to the Jobskillshare. All are visible here, and in the same way you can find out the membership of your group, and currently this device is not part of any group. Then you can come to the properties and you can manage the device name from here. You can change the device category. You can change the status of the device, whether it is personal or corporate, because if you have created any profile that requires certain OS limits and specification for corporate device, so this will do a lot of things, and this will change the ownership or the type of policies that are to be applied on the device. And there is another way to find out that which configuration profile is implemented or downloaded on the machine by just coming here under manage devices. You have configuration. You can click to the configuration, and here you will start seeing the list of configuration profile. So let's say you wanted to see that which device is getting this configuration profile from the Intune Admin Center. So you can click to that specific configuration profile, then click to review the report. And here you will start seeing the device name, and currently our device is not part of it because maybe this configuration profile has already configured to be applied on a group, and right now our device is not part of any group at this moment. That's why this profile is not applied. And also to verify the license that needs to be enabled on the user, you should know that which license you need to have on your user account to get all this Microsoft Intune Admin Center features and to manage your device. So you need to click to the users, and here click to the license. So it's going to provide you the license name and the detail that is required to run this Microsoft Intune management, the MDM, on your Windows 11 machine. Now let's come back to the devices again and click to the old devices to explore a few more options that are available for the management of Windows devices, because we have a separate course and whole course library regarding the Microsoft Intune and the management of the mobile devices that is available on the Jobskillshare.org. So if you wanted to learn more and understand the product from upside down, you can log on to our website and explore this course. And we have created the video in each and every aspects of management of Microsoft Intune Admin Center. But right now you have few more tools here that you can use to manage your Windows 11 device. Like you can wipe the device, and it does what? It will delete the settings and the apps and any changes that has been happened after the enrollment to your device. So if you go with that, and here you have two options like wipe the device but keep enrollment state and association your user account, and the wipe device and continue to wipe even the device loses the power. So you have few more options that you can select, but please aware that it might prevent some device running Windows 10 and later starting up again, because if you wipe up all this configuration and the policies that you have created from the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, so this device might be having a problem for starting and for booting process. So this needs to be done in a careful manner. Then you have the delete option. If you wanted to delete your device from the Intune Admin Center, you just click to the delete and device will no longer available here. Then you have other options like you can run the scanning, quick scan or full scan, and this is related to your Microsoft Defender that will initiate and trigger the scanning of your device from the Intune Admin Center. So from this Microsoft Intune Admin Center, you can pretty much control the whole device behavior, and you can manage the devices easily from this portal. And here we have already discussed the manual method, and in the next coming videos we will elaborate and we will show you that how you can enroll your device by using the Windows Autopilot method